Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is George and this is SaaS Master. Today we're going to check out FastPages, which is a pretty awesome tool that's going to let you create a website in minutes. But it's not just about creating the website, it's about having an SEO friendly and a super fast loading website, which FastPages gives you. So this is FastPages homepage. If you guys want to grab the deal, it's for $147. Now that deal might change, so I recommend you head on over and grab it right now. The link is going to be in the description. So let's head on over to the dashboard, which is this one right here. I already created a test site, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna open it, and you can see how fast that loaded, but maybe you might not like this. So saasmaster.project@fastpages.io. So it's using their domain, which it's created. But you can buy your own domain and create a subdomain or use that domain itself and just point it to FastPages. Now it might sound complicated, but it's not. And I'm gonna show you an example of that right now. So I created my subdomain, which is O for the purpose of testing, and it's ilink.digital, and I'm gonna click enter, and it loads the same website I created, but with my own domain. You can see that right here. It could be like whatever you want, like yourdomain.com, and it's gonna open it, just point it to FastPages. So what is that? So let's check out the dashboard right here, and what I'm gonna do is create a brand new project. And the first thing that we're going to see is that we can create it from a template that's already available. Or we could just go ahead and create it from zero, a blank page, or select one of these. You can see that the one I open right now is similar to this one, but let's select this one for the purpose of this video. So it gives you a demo of what it looks like. See that right there? Let's use this. Use Blueprint. It's loading. Wait for it to load. Now you can see if we hover over these sections, we can edit. So let's just say my logo. I can add an image. I can choose an image. I can drag it in here, or I can load one. I'm gonna leave that for now. And we can change this image also, change it, move it, resize it. So I'm gonna say, you know what, 30%, and that's what it's gonna look like. We can add another section right here, which is text, image, button, spacer, icon text, countdown, video, form, or embedded or menu. Embedded, it's really important for me because you can add your own HTML code right here, which is pretty awesome. You just add right here, which I'm not gonna do right now because I don't have it, but it's super easy to do. You can check this out and you can edit all of this. Just as you see it, you can type and edit, which is super easy. You don't have to do a whole bunch of complicated stuff. You can just grab all this and move it around. See this right here? Let me see if I can move it over here. See this? I can create a section which is all covered, footer, feature, pricing, gallery. If we want to add a cover right here, so let's just say I want to add some pricing, and this one right here. Let's just say I want to sell some packages. So I'll select that, and it's just added to my website here from FastPages, and now I can edit all of this. Did you see how easy this is to edit? Now you can save it, you can add pages. So let's just say I want to create a page and I want to do a contact page. There's a page slug, create page, and now we can see it here and we can edit it the same way we did this way. Now we can change the appearance. So we got headings, you can change this. So these are the fonts. So WorkSense is working for that. You can change general color. So in this case, I'll use red. Now you can see the button changed red. Whoops, went back, heading forward. Sorry, let's wait for it to load in. Okay, so that's saved, no problem. You can change the sections from here. See if I hover over it, it lets you know what section that is. Hey, let's just say that pricing table, I don't like it, let's get rid of it. Click on delete, it's gone, that easy. We have your SEO settings right here, which is page title, page keywords, description. You can change the favicon, which is this one right here. Remember, this is my own favicon that's created. You can change that. The OG image, which is the main image it's going to show when you share this page. We got code injection, also really important for me. You can inject code on the head, body, and the inside of the head, beginning of the body, or end of the body. Good options. Menu, this right here. Title, homepage thanks. If you want to change to those, create a menu. So just create a home. Test purpose, create menu, that's created. Now you can add the other sections of that page right there, which I'm not going to do right now, but that was easy. We can preview the page. If we preview it, it's going to load it, and this is what it looks like right now. You can do that right there. How does it look on a laptop? How would it look on a tablet? And how would it look on a mobile phone? So you can see it's mobile friendly. It just resizes everything and you don't have any problems with that. So let's just say, you know what, I'm happy with the results and I want to publish. I edit really quick. I publish this project. Once I publish it, this is the domain. I can change the subdomain, which is this one right here. I'm going to change it and I'm going to select test for video, confirm. Save that. Now this is the page. Now I'm going to click it, going to open it. Now you're probably going to say this is crazy, but the site is live now. I mean, you can just tell people to go to this link and it's live, that easy and that fast. Now, how would you go about if you want to add your own custom domain? Well, it's this one right here. You can add, like I said, the subdomain or the main domain. Let's just say, I would say test fastpages.com. If this were your page and you bought this domain, you would add this. So testpages.com. I would add domain and it's going to tell me, hey, this domain, head on over to your hosting plan company or whatever and change the A type, this right here, and put this value. So it's this IP address. Once you do that, it's ready and you gotta wait. Sometimes it's like done in minutes and sometimes it takes up to 72 hours for it to update. And it's super fast and super easy. I'm gonna show you what that looks like in this project, my SaaS Master project. So let's head on over to publish. Remember I told you I got my own, so o.ilink.digital. In this case, it asks for the C name. I pointed it to this right here, and this is a value, and my SSL is active. The SSL certificate is free. You don't have to pay for anything. So that's a pretty cool option also to have. And like I said, this is a link. Test it again. Click on it, and you go. It's HTTPS because it has its own SSL certificate, and the site is live with my own custom domain. Now, how easy is that and fast loading? So it's super easy. I recommend you guys head on over and grab your own FastPages lifetime account. If you guys want to grab that deal, the link is going to be in the description. All right, guys, thank you for watching. My name is George, and this is SaaS Master. See you guys later.